Good morning, everybody. I'm sitting out here at a community fishing hole, doing me some fishing, reflecting on things, trying to clear my mind because I got some big decisions I have to make soon. And all of a sudden, your boy popped in my head. Your boy being, oh yeah. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, ha ha. Okay, all right. Yeah, come on now. Yeah, shake that head. That is what I am talking about. What do we got here? Okay, we got a cat. All right, this is for Lanai here. She gonna love this. Yep, Lanai is gonna. Let me go and get this over here. See if. All right. See that, Lanai? It's coming. It don't want to. Aha! It'd be more fun if you was here, Lanai. See him? Yep.